Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is the SST Edupedia. I am Professor Akash Javrani. Today I am going to teach you the topic that is called bill discounting. This topic is similar for both the subjects. One, financial institutions and market. This subject is a specialization subject for second year BMS Finance, and innovative financial service. This subject comes under the third year BMS Finance specialization subject. In both subjects, the topic that is called bill discounting is common for both the classes and both the subjects. So, begin with the topics. That what is the bill discounting? Bill discounting is one such option which allows a business to get quick payment for their work and meet their operating expenses without having to depend to an external agency to provide the funds. So bill discounting means one example I am going to tell you. In this, for bill discounting, you will understand what is the meaning of bill discounting. So when a seller sell the goods to the customer, again I am repeating, when a seller sell the goods to the customer for rupees 1 lakh on credit, okay, customer is not ready to give the payment on the spot. Customer is requesting to give credit for 3 months. He is telling that after 3 months he will do the payment of the bill. Okay, seller is giving credit. Okay, for this seller makes the seller makes the receipt of that customer is going to make the payment after 3 months. You know, you have done in the 12th standard that bill of exchange, that 3 months after date pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 25,000 or 1 lakh, for example, for the value received. That process was known as bill of exchange. In this, for second year BMS and the third year BMS, we are going to repeat it again, that what is bill discounting. You might have forgot that what was that. So from basic onwards I am going to tell you that what is bill discounting, what is bill of exchange, and on so on. Okay, so in that example I was told that seller was selling the goods on credit to the customer for rupees 1 lakh, and the customer does not want to make payment on the spot. He wants some time. For example, he wants 3 months. Okay, seller is giving credit 3 months. Okay, and the seller will make the promissory note on the customer that the customer will make the payment to him after 3 months. Okay, so what happened, one day seller wants some money, and he get into the bank and take that promissory note and give it to the bank that my customer will give payment rupees 1 lakh after 3 months. So what will bank do? Bank will take that promissory note, or you can say bill of exchange. Bank that take bill of exchange of rupees 1 lakh and transferred rupees 99,000 in your account, and 1,000 will be charges as a deduction charges. You can call them as a discount. Bank deducts some discount charges because bank is giving advance money to you, because the customer is going to give you money after 3 months, but the bank is giving immediately now. So bank will deduct some charges on this. So you will get the amount immediately, 99,000, and after 3 months customer will give the money to the bank. This whole process is known as the bill discounting. I hope you understand what is the meaning of bill discounting. Okay, so moving to the introduction, what it is written here in the slide I am explaining. Bill discounting, also known as invoice discounting, is a trade activity where a seller sells some goods or services to the buyer. It is written here, the seller some, what I have told you the detail in this only it is written here. I am reading for you only that this the buyer has to make payment to as per the agreed credit period. Now if the buyer needs money before that, he can approach a bank or some non-banking financial companies and sell that invoice to them. The financial institution get the invoice verified by the buyer and then makes payment to the seller on their behalf. However, they make some deductions called discount as per the commission. Okay, this is the introduction of the bill discounting. Okay, moving further, there is bill discounting process. What is the bill discounting process? The first process is seller supply goods or services to a buyer and raises an invoice that he makes the bill on the customer. The buyer accepts the invoice. You can say invoice means receipt or the bill of exchange that will make by the seller for the customer, that I have told you that you have done previous standards and that 3 months after date 3 months after it pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 1 lakh for the value received. Okay, this invoice bill, it is written made by the seller. This approval means the buyer acknowledges the invoice and promises to make the payment on the due date. The seller then approaches the financial institution to get the bill discount. Financial institution means bank, you can say. The financial institution verify the credit worthiness of the buyer and the legitimacy of the bill. It means the financial institution will give the payment to you. Once approved, the bank disperses the funds to the seller after deducting the predefined fee, discount and appropriate margin. Thus, the seller gets a quick payment for the invoice, which can be used for further other business purposes. At the end of the original credit period, the buyer makes the payment to the financial institution. This is the whole process of the bill discounting. Okay. Next one, we are talking about the features of bill discounting. Features: evaluating the seller and the buyer. Feature of bill discounting means the benefits are both. So there is a benefit that he will get the payment earlier. Okay. Evaluating the buyer, the seller, making instant cash available for the buyer. Okay. Discount charge means banks take some charges because the bank is giving money to the seller before the due date. Okay. And the maturity period means in which the customer will give the payment to the financial institution, that is called the maturity period. So these the four features are there for bill discounting. Again I am repeating: evaluating the seller and the buyer, in which the bank evaluate the buyer that the buyer will do payment or not on time, making instant cash available for the buyer, discount charge, and the last one is the maturity period. Next, the documents required for bill discounting. If a seller wants to do bill discounting from the bank or any other financial institution, so documents required for the bill discounting are as follows. First one is duly filled application form with the passport size photographs. Okay, business PAN card and the address proof. Applicant's Aadhaar card, the one who wants to want the service of bill exchange, their Aadhaar card. GST return. Okay. Income tax return and a financial statement with an audit report. Also banks want some documents like income tax return and the audit report, which is prepared by the chartered accountant. That also. Business establishment proof. What is the establishment proof? That your business is there and you have sold the goods to a customer. Last 12 months bank statement. Bank statements bank statement means in which you have done transactions from the bank. Like a passbook only, bank statement will be get. Bill of exchange, bill in which the proof is there that you have sold the goods to a customer and how much period you have given to the customer. Letter of credit, commercial invoice bill must also be there. Packing list with all the details that you have sold the goods to the customer. That packing list with all the details on that. Logistic details. Logistic means transport details in which you have transport the goods to a customer with a copy of delivery note if any, that is also needed for the bill discounting process. Proof of certificate or any registrations, licenses and permits if any, and any other document required. So these all are the documents required for the bill discounting. This bill discounting process is very beneficial for the seller because the seller gets the immediate payment, and that on that payment he can do investments, he can expand their business. Okay, so bill discounting is a very much important process for there. So I hope you understand what is bill discounting process, and this is very important topic for the second year BMS and the third year BMS finance students. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.